Session beers are changing the landscape of the craft beer movement. More than half of the fastest growing brands are beers with less than 5% alcohol by volume. Presenting Session Beers, Brewing for Flavor and Balance from Brewers Publications. There's no reason to sacrifice taste or flavor balance with low alcohol beers. Learn how stouts, sour ales, experimental IPAs, and more of your favorite styles can be brewed to be less than 5%. Written by industry veteran, World Beer Cup and Great American Beer Festival award-winning brewer Jennifer Talley, Session Beers explores the history behind some of the world's greatest session beers, past and present. This industry-leading resource on low-alcohol beers includes popular session beer recipes for professional and home brewers, along with personal stories from some of the best brewmasters in America. Explore the world of session beer and discover why beer drinkers enjoy low-alcohol, full-flavored beers. Session Beers, Brewing for Flavor and Balance. Available for purchase at brewerspublications.com.